Hello Witblox makers! In this video, we are going to build an awesome AI Cam Car that works with an inbuilt camera. With this car, you can drive through an awesome racetrack like this and also spy on someone. First, let's understand how this works. To make this, you need an AI Cam Blox, 2 motor driver blocks and 2 3-pin wires. AI Cam Blox is a special control blocks with a camera. It is capable of doing complex AI vision based projects. It can also be used as a remote control with camera for video streaming. Here in this project, it works as a remote control receiver, receiving commands from the phone and also streaming the camera data to the phone. So, I will use this feature of the AI Cam Vision to build an awesome racing car with a camera. Now, let's build the structure. First take 2 5-hole beams, 2 3-hole elbows, 4 2-hole elbows, 3 1-hole elbow, 2 couplers and join them together. This is the base. Then connect a 3-hole elbow and a 2-hole elbow. Now connect a 1-hole elbow and a 3-hole elbow. Join all 3 parts together. Now attach big wheels on both sides of the structure as shown. Then connect 2 1-hole elbow, 1 5-hole beam, 1 coupler as shown. Make 2 structures like these. Attach it to our car structure as shown. This will make our structure a bit more strong. Now, let's understand how to connect AI Cam Blox to your phone. Here are the steps to connect AI Cam Blox to your phone. Step 1. Download the Witblox AI Vision app from the Play Store. Step 2. Time to power up the AI Cam Blox. For that, you can use a 9-volt alkaline battery, a USB to Type-C charger or a power bank. We suggest using a charger or power bank to reduce battery cost. Step 3. Push the switch on the AI Cam to turn it on. Step 4. Now open the AI Cam app. Step 5. Connect to Witblox AI Vision Wi-Fi. Step 6. The device is found. Now click Configure. It shows all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Click on your Wi-Fi and put the password. Then click Connect. Step 7. Our AI Cam is now connected. If not yet connected, check your entered password and restart the connection process. Also, don't miss connecting your phone on the same Wi-Fi network as the Blox. This ensures AI Cam and phone talk properly to each other. Step 8. Now let's enter the IP address as shown on the AI Cam. This helps your phone to communicate with the Blox. Step 9. We are all set. Close and restart the app. Our AI cam is now connected. We can also see that the camera feed is now visible. Now let's connect motors to the AI cam. First connect the drivers one below the other. This helps them connect easily to the AI cam. Then connect the two motor plus driver blocks to AI cam, port 1 and 2. Also join two 3-pin wires from port 3 and 4 to the reversing part of the two motor plus driver blocks to help reverse the car. Forward command, both motors move forward. On backward command, both move reverse via port 3 and 4. On the left, port 1 and 4 are active, whereas 2 and 3 are active on the right. To fix the logic on the structure, let's make a stand. Take 5 1-hole beam, a 1-hole elbow and a 5-hole beam and join them. Add 2 blocks holders onto it. Fix the logic on this now. Add this entire part on the car structure.